Time now for exclusive CBS2 forecast. We're going to continue with Elise Finch talking about the storm watch as also we lead up to the 4th of July. Elise?
Yes, so Dana, let's get right to it. I want to take you to a live look outside. This from our camera high atop the Empire State Building. And you can see, obviously, we've got a lot of cloud cover out there, but we also have some rain. It does depend where you are. I'm told that we're dry at the broadcast center, but that is not the case in northern Manhattan, for example. We're seeing some pretty heavy rain move across that area. Temperature-wise, 78 degrees. Winds are out of the northeast at 5 miles an hour. The relative humidity, 57 degrees. Again, this taken at Central Park. So here is your Skycast satellite and radar. So this is this cell that we're talking about, so you can see we are seeing some heavy rain there in parts of northern Manhattan. We're also seeing some lightning strikes. So what we have is some thunderstorms embedded, and we do have a flood advisory until 1 o'clock because we could see some gradual flooding. The area you see here in that green box, it does include 4 of the 5 boroughs of New York City. Also, as we head out to Long Island, Hampton Bay is still dealing with a cell there. So we're seeing not only some heavy rain that looks to be training, which means sitting over the same area for a prolonged period of time. We're also seeing some lightning strikes with that. And so this is the culprit, this area of low pressure. It's kind of a closed low, which means it's just sitting there and sort of spinning. The counterclockwise circulation around it is what's keeping things unsettled for us. And so as a result, this is what you can expect both today and again tomorrow because of that low. Few downpours for sure, some brief but heavy rain. Most of it's brief, but in the case where we get some training, you could see some very, very heavy rain that is prolonged. Isolated flooding as a result. Small hail is certainly a possibility with these systems and some gusty winds. Remember now, yesterday we did have some isolated thunderstorms, but the atmosphere was a lot more volatile yesterday because of the daytime heating. We don't have that heating today, but that low is certainly working its magic. So what we have is we head through this afternoon, we'll see some isolated showers and some thunderstorms. This is today, 6 o'clock. So in addition to what we're seeing now, we're still going to have more activity as we head into the late afternoon and evening. Same as we head into the day tomorrow. We get a little bit of clearing and then we're right back to it. This is 3 o'clock on Wednesday. So again, we're seeing isolated showers, thunderstorms. Embedded in that will be some of those thunderstorms that'll be capable of dropping some heavy rain. So some areas won't get a tremendous amount of rain. New York City looks to pick up at least another ½ inch of rain. This particular model run is saying Monticello could get 1 inch of rain, Morristown 1.5 inches. So it certainly depends where you are. But just remember, we need the rain. Our rainfall deficit is pretty significant for the month of June, a 2.52-inch rainfall deficit, and that includes the more than ½ inch of rain we got yesterday. So we need the rain, and it looks like over the next 48 hours we do get some. Want to go right straight to your 7-day forecast if we can and just show you the forecast highs over the next few days. Today and tomorrow, a little bit cooler, low 80s. We start to warm up again on Thursday. By Friday, near 90 degrees, but the 4th of July looks pretty good. Right now, partly cloudy, 84 degrees, and just a slight chance of a pop-up shower. Dana?
Okay, couple of days, just a little, some stuff we have to deal with. We will know at least that it's headed our way. Thank you, Elise.